In this video, I'm going to show you my personal favorite Ledger wallet alternatives. By now, we have all heard about Ledger's new firmware update that comes with a new feature called Ledger Recover. This optional subscription service allows Ledger to access and recover your wallet seed phrase in case you lose it. But if you need the 411 on that whole debacle, make sure to check out this video. On another note, these Ledger alternatives that I have chosen are not random. They are what I believe to be the best direct replacement for your Ledger device based on the following criteria: user friendliness, coin support, and security. Because at the end of the day, Ledger does make a really enjoyable and user-friendly hardware wallet that I like and would still like to use. However, they have lost my trust and the trust of many of their consumers. That said, before we get started, drop a comment and let me know if you would ever consider using Ledger again if they got their crap together and eliminated Ledger Recover. Also, if you end up buying any of these wallets, I have links to each one in the description as well as unique discount codes, so make sure to check that out. Alright, let's check out these Ledger alternatives. First on the list is Tangem Wallet. Tangem is the most user-friendly cold wallet available. By simply holding the card up to your NFC-enabled phone, which is nearly all phones nowadays, you can easily connect your wallet and manage all your funds. The main thing to point out about the Tangem Wallet is that you don't actually know your seed phrase. The seed phrase is randomly generated once you activate the card, however you can't recover this wallet using your seed phrase like you would with any other hardware wallet. Instead, Tangem provides you with 2 or 3 cards total which act as your wallet backups. So that means if you were to lose all of your Tangem cards, you would have no way to recover your funds. So what Tangem does recommend doing is if you were to have 2 cards and then you lost one, you would want to buy some new Tangem cards or a new hardware wallet and transfer all your funds from this card to the new one. That way you can easily access them and not worry about losing the last card you have left. Tangem does support over 6,000 coins and tokens, including NFTs. Notably, you can't directly manage NFTs through the app, but you can do so using an NFT marketplace. As for security, Tangem utilizes a secure element chip to protect your private keys. This is the same kind of chip used in debit cards, electronic passports, and even your phone to prevent unauthorized access. In my opinion, it's a must-have. The Tangem app also allows you to set up an access code or biometric authentication, which allows you to initiate and approve transactions. This, combined with the need for the physical card and your NFC-enabled phone, makes for a very secure wallet. Also, you never have to worry about updating Tangem's firmware. The card comes from the manufacturer with independently audited firmware and source code carried out by a Swiss auditing company, Kudelski Security, and the firmware is intended to last up to 25 years. It's also extremely durable as it is IP68 rated, which means it is completely waterproof and resistant to extreme temperatures, and that's why Tangem offers a 25-year product replacement warranty for all their Tangem cards. Next on the list, we have the Keystone Pro. Now, the Pro isn't the easiest wallet to set up, but once you do have it set up, it is really user-friendly. Since the Pro is completely air-gapped, you do have to use a micro SD card to update its firmware. It's really not that hard to do, but I have noticed that it is challenging for non-tech savvy users. But there are a ton of guides like the one I made right here that you can check out, which makes setting up the Keystone Pro super easy. Once it's all set up, you can use a large 4-inch touchscreen as well as the camera on the back to manage all of your funds via QR codes. The Keystone Pro supports over 5,000 coins and tokens, including NFTs. In terms of security, the Pro is arguably the most secure hardware wallet on the market. It is completely air-gapped, so there are no external communication points that could lead to an attack, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or a USB connection. It also has a secure element as well as an anti-tamper self-destruct mechanism. So even if someone were to try and access your device and failed, it will erase all of your account data while still keeping your funds safe on the blockchain. The Pro even has a biometric fingerprint scanner on the back that can be used to access the device and approve transactions. If you're looking for the most secure wallet, I would definitely go with the Keystone Pro. Next up, we got this bad boy, the OneKey Touch. It's super compact and lightweight. It is about the size of the Tangem card, obviously not width, but lengthwise it is about the size of the Tangem card, and the 3-inch touchscreen makes it super easy to use. The OneKey app is available for macOS, Windows, Linux, iOS, Android, and browser plugins, allowing you full control no matter which device you have. The app allows you to check market conditions and of course manage all your cryptocurrency, making the OneKey Touch super simple, great for beginners and experts alike. The OneKey Touch supports 1,000 cryptocurrencies and over 43 blockchains, plus you can add other coins manually using the app. The OneKey Touch has all the security features you would want in a hardware wallet. It has a secure element, open source firmware, PIN and passphrase protection. What more could you ask for? I really like the PIN because you can generate 4 to 50 numbers for a super secure PIN. Along with the OneKey Touch, we have its near cousin, the OneKey Classic. This wallet is awesome. It's actually super lightweight. Just look how thin it is compared to the Tangem wallet. It's literally the same size as a card. And it does have a screen as well as buttons to make navigating this wallet super simple. Aside from its design, the OneKey Classic provides the same coin support and security as the OneKey Touch, but for a much more affordable price. Next up, we have the Ellipal Titan Mini, which is one of the most affordable air-gapped hardware wallets on the market. It's also one of the most affordable touchscreen wallets. It has a nice 2.4-inch touchscreen, making the wallet super easy to navigate as well. This baby supports over 10,000 coins and tokens, including NFTs. In terms of security, the Ellipal Titan Mini has a security charger that provides data protection, as well as an anti-tamper self-destruct mechanism. The only thing that I'm not a fan of with the Ellipal Titan Mini is it does have closed source firmware and no secure element. But overall, it's still a top 5 wallet and a great alternative to Ledger. That's why I have it on the list. I have hands-on reviews of these wallets on my channel. If you want to check those out, just click on this playlist right here. And for more videos like this, as well as early access to new hardware wallets and exclusive discount codes, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time.